Sanibonani Ndumelani Mshini. Hi, welcome to TBT. She's a benga funa ukuthi uliphuze ujahile kodwa ufuna ukuthi uliphuze uhleli phansi ngoba waliphuza ujahile uzosha. Let's get into the video. One thing we must say ukuthi props to Umaki, the shopper queen. One thing about Umaki, she's the one that plugged some of us about Facebook monetization. Basically, as we said, kanti kudala beyidla bethulile, but Umaki came and was like, I get this type of amount from Facebook. So Umaki was plugged. I was saying, guys, nani nje manifuna ukwenza imali postani ku-Facebook kunemali. A lot of us rush there, even though I'm not monetized though, but so fine. Umaki was black, okay. Umaki was wasibonisa wathi yazini, I make 180k a month from posting on Facebook, and we're like, some people even go to university and they can't even get that kind of money even in a month. It's haibo. Others, it takes them 4 to 5 months to have that money. And cool, sharp. Umaki was bonisa. And then the next thing we saw Umaki elevating, renovating indlu yakhe, ethenga ama-grocery. Ayenza yabo nje ukuthi yabo bathi imali nje ayikwazi ukuthula. Sibone ngomaki because Umaki was doing the most. Umaki was doing the most. Ithenga indlu. Next thing Umaki uhamba ngamabhaki, imoto. Yeah, yazini. Oh, we're like, and at first it felt like she was competing with Utonto, because there was a point where they had their own little beef about those social media wars, you get. So cool. And then the next thing, houses Umaki manje, Chigi, they hacked her. The next thing, Maki is having multiple Facebook accounts. She's created accounts for her son and the guy that was doing content with him. Angazi boyfriend or we content boyfriend, whoever that guy is now because he's all and especially people are commenting with you are good at this, so maybe you at least nami ngafana nomaki. But because of greed, awazi umhobholo. As more umuntu sometimes mawuthola into man ungabi nomhobholo to say I want more. Yes, it's good to want more in life, but ungabi njengomaki, yabo. Umaki started doing a lot to a point where people got bored. Like, yeah, she's still there, she's still relevant. Obviously, Umaki, she still has the content, she still has the creativity, but it's not like before. That's why sometimes I look at people from underprivileged backgrounds, people who and when they get money, they just start to showing off. I'm seeing a lot of creators. Yes, it's good to tell people, okay, I'm getting this type of money. But one thing you should know about a black person, the moment umbonisa, it's the moment they stop consuming your content. Look at what happened with Big Nance. Remember when she grew? And because she was also part of those people that used to show us YouTube monthly payments work. So the moment they saw it, okay, and I remember, if I'm not mistaken, please, Angsakumbul, but I think she mentioned the fact that because she felt like YouTube was paying a lot, the vibes Angsakumbul. So I'm not sure. Cool. And then the next thing, she was complaining and crying and say, even with 100k subscribers, y'all are still not watching my ads because people are like, oh, YouTube udlanga my ads. I'm going to skip that ad, mind you. So that's how people operate. The only person that is working out for is Utonto, because even though she has shown us her payments, but because she still remains humble, she's not someone that brags and be like, hey, I'm doing this. She just does things silently. Like, you never see her doing the most. The only thing that she shows us is when maybe she's doing things for her family, because obviously that's influential, that is inspirational. So she's trying to motivate others with saying, now Motolito, you can still help your family, the vibes. But with Umaki, it was just a lot, guys. It was just a lot. And right now, Yabogutinji Umhopolo has led her to a point that she is at right now. Because I even saw someone that I like post that email. I'm like, and then tomorrow masengena abantu laphayana sebazofuna leyo mali, it's going to be, hey, abantu abamnyama. Like, look at Patrice Motsepe. No one knows where he stays. You will never find him flaunting imali, like, cause he has money. That guy is moneyed. Probably he's a billionaire. But you will never see Patrice Motsepe. There's a lot of people like Abu Oskido. Yes, I don't know much, but even Oskido, They had money, but they kept quiet. But if you look at our amapiano stars, our content creators, whenever they have money, abakwazi ukuvala umlomo. They just wanna keep talking. Hey, mina ngenza so. Ukhohlisa abantu abamnyama bakubhekile abomakhelwane akho balambile leso sikhathi, and then they stop consuming your content. And now you wanna cry? Khalela bani? Cause ne-payslip mabakunikeza babhale ukuthi confidential. Wena ufuna ukuthatha lento confidential utshela abantu, and then what do you expect? Expect ukuthi abantu bakujabulele lesi sikhathi mina ngihleli kanje ngizilambele. Do you think ukuthi ngizokujabulela? There's no way, guys. There's no way.